Today, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 for your MPskin tour. Every skin has a tab called Analytics. There, you can link your Google Analytics measurement ID. The measurement ID always starts with G-. To get this ID, you first need to set up a new data stream in Google Analytics. In my example account, there is no stream currently set up. You can set up a new data stream by clicking on the banner up top or by navigating to the admin panel at the bottom left, by navigating to Property Settings, Data Collection, and then clicking on Data Streams. We then select Web, after which the input mask opens up. Now we enter the skin URL and an internal name. After saving, we click on the stream to view the web stream details. To the right, you will now see your new measurement ID. We copy this ID, enter it in our MPskin and click Save. Please note, in order for the stream to work, you need to enable cookies in the base settings. And that's it. Your stream is now set up and ready to collect data. It can take a few hours for Google Analytics to start showing your data. In my example, I waited about an hour. There are different ways of seeing data in Google Analytics. Under Home, it could take up to 24 hours for data to show. Under Reports, you will see an option that says Real Time. The data there should be showing relatively fast. Under Event Count, you can see, for example, what tags or info points are being clicked. Clicks, scrolls, and hovers are all being written as events. In the real-time view, you can click on the individual events to receive more information about the event. These are called event parameters. One of these event parameters is the event label, which lists, for example, the name of the tag or info point that was clicked. In the Reports section, you will also see a tab named Events. In that section, all types of events are being listed. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see the event parameter data in the standard reports without registering that event parameter as a custom dimension. However, this can be done by navigating to the Admin tab and selecting Custom Definitions. For a more comprehensive guide on how to set up custom dimensions, check out the link in the description.